Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some great goodies to share with you. Some new cat Scrappiness products, some new Hero Arts products, some penny black. I'm going to start with the cat Scrappiness. There's two new slimline paper pads. Look how beautiful these are. Love the size of this. Perfect for your slimline card. This one's called Sugar Plum Fairies. I love the purple and the teal. Just really pretty. And then we've got Cup of Christmas, which is so cute. Love the red and teal. And then the brown. There's cups with cute latte cups. And there's donuts in here. We've got reindeer and candy canes. All kinds of cuteness in here. Very, very cute. There's some new sprinkles. We've got some cute little stockings, some little socks. This one is Hung by the Chimney. We've got Frosty Wonderland sequins and sprinkles. So cute. There's Frosty in there, Frosty the Snowman, and some really pretty snowflakes. There's two styles in there. And then let's see, I didn't get a close look at these socks. So these are really cute. They're they have a little bit of thickness to them. These are clay embellishments. We've got holly leaves and berry sprinkles. So perfect for a shaper card. This one's called Santa Baby. Cute little Santa heads. We've got gingerbread cookie sprinkle mix. So cute little gingerbreads in there. Some sprinkles and peppermint candies. And then we've got magical holiday sprinkles. And this one's got the Mickey Mouse heads in the red and white, and then the peppermints, and there's some clear little sea beads in there. So cute. So there's a few new dies. Now this one's packaged up like this, so you can't see what's inside, but if you go on my website, you can take a look at what's inside this package. It's the ornament shaker dies. So you get some ornaments with the ability to turn them into shakers. And then this fabulous new die. So I love the background. So you get a nice thick frame with stitching. You get the hillside and then the birch trees and the leaves. I love this die. This is fabulous new die. It's designed for your slimline card, but you can use it on any size card. It will fit on. Just have to maneuver it to fit onto your card base. And this is a bow. There's some parts here that you add on there to make the bow look more realistic. Super cute. It's got stitching. Take a look at the card samples for that one. And then I've restocked all of these dies. So we've got the torn paper one, Distressed Edges, I think it's called. Love that one. The chevron. I think this one is the Never-Ending dies, or it is the, let's see, I believe that one's the Never-Ending die. And then we've got the cross stitch one, the zigzag one, this lattice one with the wood grain frame, the foliage, the wonky stitch, and then this one has stitching and it cuts the in and out. Fabulous, fabulous slimline dies. So now we've got some items from Hero Arts. Now this stencil is super cool. I love the trees, and then it's got little rocks and sprigs of grass, and after you're done stenciling this, you've got a fabulous background. Love that. And this background stamp is gorgeous. So this is already foam mounted red rubber, and look how beautiful that is. And I could see using the sky, like if you didn't want to use the wintry trees, you can use the sky on your A2 size card. Just stamp out this part and then put your hills or whatever. I could see this being used a lot. And then this would look gorgeous embossed, and then doing some ink blending. And then these stamps kind of go together. These are the Tree and Animals, the Winter Tree and Animals stamp set and die. So look at that tree. Kind of spooky. You can use that for Halloween, and you can use this for like winter. And then we've got a rabbit, a fox, a tree stump, an owl. You got some snowflakes in here, some mushrooms, and these sentiments. Wishing you all. Then you can put hope, love, peace, joy, season's greetings, and then we got sharing and sending. And this one, done the same illustration, so they go good together. This one is called the Fuzzy Winter Animals. So you got a moose, some bears, I think that's a hedgehog, I think that's a lamb, a deer. We've got Let It Snow, Thinking of You, Sending Warm Holiday Wishes, The Weather Is So Delightful, I Moose You, You Make Me Feel Fuzzy and Warm, For a Dear Friend, and Sending Bear Hugs. Really cute. And then the die. And then I've got this stamp here that I just picked out. I thought it was super cute, with just the people holding the presents and the tree, and you can't see their face. I think it just would make a great Christmas card. And then we get this big sentiment here. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. We've got fa la 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 la. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, 'tis the season to be jolly. And busy, very, very busy. You got this. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And then you get an extra tree and a present. And then from Penny Black, I love their stamps. They're just so beautiful. I love the techniques that they do on their YouTube channel. They do a lot of inking on the back of the stamp, different colors, and then creating a scene that looks watercolored or just very beautiful. So you get this tree and then this log cabin scene that looks kind of like watercolored. And this one's called Quietude. Here's a picture on the back. So very beautiful. You stamp this in different colored inks. It just gives you a beautiful result. You gotta watch their YouTube channel. And this is the Woodland Getaway. So a nice snowy road going to a cabin up in the mountains perhaps. And then we've got some more from Avery Elle. So this is their Holiday Circle Tags die. You get a little scallop, you get some dotting in there, a to and a from, and then the tag reinforcers. And then the stamp set goes perfect with this. You can stamp this in there and it'll fit perfectly. You get some pretty snowflakes and a to and from in the stamp set. And then these are the tag toppers, the Peekaboo Holiday Tag Toppers. So this is just a die that will cut out these cute little faces of these critters, and you can add them to a tag, on top of a tag. So it goes perfect with that skinny little tag that Avery Elle came out with. I believe it's still available in my shop. it's the perfect size to add the little face on top. So really cute. Oh, I forgot to mention I did restock some of the Copic refills, and then I did grab some sketch markers in some colors that I needed in my collection. So I do have a couple more available in the shop. So I will be getting some more Copic sketch throughout the months, and hopefully get a bigger collection of that in the shop. So that is everything I have today. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys real soon. Thanks for shopping, and I will see you next time with a crafting video. Bye guys.